Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making a simple yet super delicious banana chocolate smoothie, a creamy, chocolatey and energy packed drink that's perfect for breakfast or a midday boost. So let's get started. In a blender, add 1 cup of banana slices, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey if you prefer it sweeter, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder and 1 cup of chilled milk. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a glass, garnish with chocolate chips, serve it chilled and enjoy every sip. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Morokistan Kitchen for more wholesome and tasty recipes. Happy cooking and see you next time.